Hey guys, it is Julie here with JT Wealth. The month of December is upon us, and that means it's time for December dividend stocks. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you all so much for being here. Like I said, we're discussing December dividend stocks today. Those are all companies that have ex-dividend dates in the month of December so that you don't have to wait multiple months to start collecting that passive income. If you guys watch many of my videos, you may know that I am a big fan of dividend stocks. I think they are a great addition to any well-diversified portfolio, especially during volatile and uncertain times in the market. But that in mind, these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. Every investor has their own goal, time frame, and risk tolerance. So make sure you're doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. Let me know some of your favorite dividend-paying stocks in the comments down below as well. We're highlighting a few today, but of course there are a ton of great dividend companies out there. So today we're going to take a look at a few different dividend-paying companies, what it is that their companies do, and of course the details on that dividend for you. Let's jump into our December dividend stocks. First up is a company that has their ex-dividend date coming up right away. We'll be starting off with Bank of America. The Bank of America stock trades under the ticker BAC. With a market cap of over $300 billion, their stock currently trades at $37 per share. If you aren't familiar with them, Bank of America is obviously a bank. They serve over 68 million customers, with approximately 3,900 retail financial centers and over 16,000 ATMs across the nation. Bank of America has been paying a dividend since 1993, so that is 29 years of dividend payments. And their next ex-dividend date is coming up quickly here on December 1st. That'll be followed by their dividend payment date of December 30th. Their current quarterly dividend is 22 cents per share for a dividend yield of 2.25%, just above the sector average, and an attractive payout ratio of 26%. The bank is said to be ranked number 1 in estimated U.S. retail deposits. They were also rated the best bank in the U.S., number 1 online banking and mobile banking functionality, number 1 in customer satisfaction, and number 1 small business lender. The company shared their latest quarterly earnings report last month on October 17th. For their third quarter, they reported net interest income of $13.8 billion. That was up 24%, which was driven by benefits from higher interest rates. There are currently 13 Wall Street analysts that have a ranking on the Bank of America stock. Overall, it comes in as a moderate buy based on 9 buy ratings and 4 holds. With an average price target of about $40 per share, the average upside comes in at 8.8% for the next year. While the most recent rating does come in as a hold, it still has an upside of over 7% and is followed by a buy rating 12 days ago with an upside potential of nearly 40%. Number 2 on our list of December dividend stocks is Devon Energy. With a market cap of $44 billion, the Devon Energy stock trades under the ticker DVN, currently priced at $67. They are a leading independent energy company engaged in finding and producing oil and natural gas. Operating across the U.S., they have daily production of over 300,000 barrels of oil, more than 150,000 barrels of natural gas liquids, and about 940 million cubic feet of natural gas. With over 30 years of dividend-paying history, Devon Energy's next ex-dividend date is coming up on December 9th. They will then pay out their quarterly dividend of $1.35 per share on December 30th. Their current dividend yield comes in at 3.75%, ahead of the average of 2.7% in their sector. That $1.35 dividend grew 61% versus the last year's quarter, and they also saw their core earnings per share increase 102%. One neat thing about Devon Energy is that they pay a fixed plus variable dividend. So that means they have a fixed dividend in place currently at 18 cents per share, and that is then topped up with a variable dividend, which is currently 50% of their excess free cash flow. The company also has a $2 billion buyback program in place. The company also expects that free cash flow to grow, anticipating over 25% improvement for their fourth quarter. The Devon Energy stock is currently rated a moderate buy based on 14 analyst ratings, coming in with 8 buy ratings and 4 holds. The average price target for the stock comes in at about $83 per share, which would be an upside potential of 22.5% for the next year. And what's great to see is a ton of 5-star analysts weighing in on the stock as well. On the low end, we do have a hold rating from about a month ago with an upside of just 7%, and on the high end, we have a buy rating with an upside of over 48%. Our third December dividend stock is Ares Capital Corporation. They come in with a slightly smaller market cap than the others at $10 billion, trading under the ticker ARCC. Their stock is currently priced just above $19 per share. Ares Capital Corporation is a business development company and is actually one of the largest direct lenders in the U.S. Their investment objective is to generate both current income and capital appreciation through debt and equity investments. The company has 458 portfolio companies with total investments of over $21 billion. Now, not only does the company pay a nice regular dividend, lately they've been throwing in a special dividend on top of that too. For every quarter in 2022, there has been a 3-cent additional dividend. For this quarter, that is on top of their regular dividend of 48 cents per share. That gives the Ares Capital stock a dividend yield of about 9.9%. Their ex-dividend date will be on December 15th for payment on December 29th. With 7 unanimous buy ratings from analysts, the stock is currently rated a strong buy. With an average price target of $21, that would be upside potential of 8.6% for the next 12 months. While one rating does show a slight downside since the stock has surpassed that price target already, the rest of the price targets range between an upside of 6% to almost 14%. And our fourth December dividend stock is Fidelity National Financial. Their stock trades under the ticker FNF, currently priced just shy of $40 per share. The company has a market cap of $11 billion. FNF is the nation's largest title insurance company. They provide title insurance and transaction services through their title insurance underwriters to the real estate and mortgage industries. They're also a provider of annuity and life insurance products. Their ex-dividend date will be coming up mid-month on December 15th, with a dividend payment date of December 30th. They pay a quarterly dividend of 45 cents per share for a dividend yield of 4.32%, well ahead of the sector average of 2%, and also with a comfy payout ratio at 27%. FNF holds the number 1 market share in the title insurance industry and holds the number 1 or number 2 share position in 44 states. With 1,400 direct title offices, they employ about 25,000 employees. They're also leading the way with real estate technology, providing the first end-to-end real estate experience platform. Now, the FNF stock does only have 3 current analyst ratings, but they do all come in with a buy. Their average price target comes in at $53, which would be an upside potential of over 33% for the stock. And better yet, all 3 of the analysts do have 5-star ratings. Their upside potentials range from 23 to 50%. So there we have 4 dividend-paying stocks for the month of December. Now, I did trim my list down to 4. Of course, there were some other great companies I could include, but I do try to keep these videos not too long. I know many of you don't even make it to the end of the video, so if you did, let me know. I appreciate you guys. And also let me know if you prefer more stocks with shorter explanations, or if you prefer going a bit more in-depth to each of these stocks and keeping the list a little shorter. I always appreciate your feedback. Like I said at the beginning as well, please keep in mind that these are never suggestions to buy or sell any specific stock. Make sure you are doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. If you did make it to the end, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.